All right, so judging by the response from this week's Monday Marketing Minute video, I know that funding is still a very high priority for a lot of you out there, which is rightfully so, just because COVID has been going on for so long, and it's definitely affecting the way we do business and our sales ultimately. So what I want to do is provide you with even more useful information that you can apply to help promote within your own Instagram followers any of the donations that perhaps you have put together and you want to promote. So this Thursday, I'm going to be sending you an email, and in that email, I'm going to basically walk you through and show you how you can set up and use that donation sticker in the Instagram stories, so that you can share that with your customers and clients, people who are following you on Instagram. So if you want that information and you're not already signed up to my email list, definitely sign up for that. I'm going to include the link in the bio. If you're on Instagram, if you're watching this on Facebook, I'll just include it in the post. So definitely sign up for that. And if you're already on my email distribution list, then just check your inbox on Thursday. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week.